Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm taking you along with me to Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite stores on earth, to go over the best things to purchase from them. So if you guys want to see the top 9 things to purchase from Hobby Lobby, then please keep watching. Alright, first up on my list is holiday and seasonal decor. I absolutely love Hobby Lobby for their seasonal stuff. It is my one-stop shop.
Oh, what's that?
It's a cute little gnome.
Oh, the 4th of July.
Now on this day, as you can see, we are shopping for 4th of July decor. They did not have their 40 or 50% off sale, so I always like to wait until they have that discount. Otherwise, the stuff is a little pricey, but at 50% off, a lot of the stuff is very, very reasonably priced. I love coming here. This is my first stop when I'm looking for seasonal decor, especially for Christmas. They have amazing Christmas decor and amazing deals all month long. So definitely check out Hobby Lobby for your seasonal decor. Oh yeah, this smells good.
Yeah, this smells good. Oh yeah, it smells like a fall at home.
Yep. Alright, next up is fabric. They are known for their fabric choices. They have so much to choose from. Aisles upon aisles upon aisles of fabric and prints and styles. It's so amazing. You can find really anything you are looking for here. Now, as always, you should wait for their sale because everything will, usually be 30 to 50% off. You never want to pay full price, so definitely sign up for their emails and they will send you notifications on when things go on sale. They even have great princesses, and look, Delia, oh my goodness, who is this? Peppa Pig! That is really cute. Alright, next up is picture frames. Now when they have their 40 to 50% off sale, that is the best deal. They have such a good variety and they're very, very good quality. Now if you guys haven't seen the other video where I do the best of IKEA, I will link that down below and above. They also have really awesome picture frames, but Hobby Lobby definitely has more choice, more colors, and more for themed rooms. Alright, next up is their signs and wall art. Hobby Lobby has an amazing array and collection of wall art for any room, kids' rooms, adults' rooms, man caves, movie theaters, you name it, they have it. Again, wait till it goes on sale. That will be the best deal. Really love that home sweet home sign, really cute and a very affordable price. You can never go wrong with Hobby Lobby's artwork and signage. Even their mirrors are a really great price when they are on sale. Next up is letters. I'm talking about metal letters, wood letters, paper mache letters, any kind. They have a great selection. They've got gold, they've got galvanized, they've got wood ones. It's really, really amazing the collection of letters that they have. If you're looking to do like a kid's room, Hobby Lobby is definitely the place to go. Plus they'll do half off of that, so that's still a really, really good price. The paper mache and the wood products at Hobby Lobby, phenomenal. They're blank, you can DIY all of this, make a porch sign, make your own sign. Like I just said, their craft wood and paper mache products at Hobby Lobby are amazing. They definitely cater to the inner DIY in you, so you can definitely go there and find anything you are looking for and at a very, very affordable price. I even feel like they have better choice than Michael's sometimes. Like the wood stars, it's $2.99. Like these little wood hearts, it's $2.99. There's 8 of them. This is good. Now you can find similar stuff at Dollar Tree, but Hobby Lobby is definitely higher quality and you can sometimes even get a better price than the dollar store. So definitely check out Hobby Lobby for any kind of wood or paper mache products. Like I said earlier, these paper mache letters, I have made so many projects with these. They are so versatile and super cheap and really good quality. I highly recommend any of their paper mache letter products. Even full price for $8 for this is good. Next up is ribbon. I love their ribbon at Hobby Lobby. Again, look at all of the choice. All colors, patterns, textures, holiday themed stuff, you name it, they have it. I love their ribbon for Christmas time. I use a lot of ribbons in my DIYs for Christmas. So Hobby Lobby is definitely the place I go to first and foremost for ribbon. Love that tie-dye, that's really nice. You like it? Look, they even have Mickey and Minnie. Next up is stickers. They have such a great collection of stickers and super cheap, even with the 50% off or even 40% off. It's a great deal. They have really cute 3D ones. They even have really nice die cuts. I really love the stickers at Hobby Lobby. I could spend hours looking at the stickers. They're so pretty. Here's those die cuts I mentioned earlier. These are great. They come a ton in a pack and they're like $2 or $3 and then half off. I mean, seriously, you can't beat that price. They have a great collection of letter stickers as well and all different patterns and colors. T-shirts. T-shirts, always 30% off. All right, last but not least is their plain t-shirts. These are perfect for any project, whether it be tie-dye or school projects. Really good deal, and they're always on sale. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my best of from Hobby Lobby. Now, this is just my own personal opinion, but I really love Hobby Lobby. They get a ton of my money. As you guys know, for my DIYs, I mainly shop here and at Michael's. Now, if you guys like this series, I can do more, maybe do Michael's, TJ Maxx, stores like those. If you guys haven't seen the video where I went to IKEA and share the best things at IKEA, then I will link it down below and above. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go check me out on Instagram and follow me there. And if you haven't considered subscribing, please do. I make all kinds of videos, but DIYs are definitely my favorite. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.